In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create marketing copy with Grok, Business Setup 2026. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. This is where you'll access the AI workspace. It loads quickly and you don't need any special setup to get started. Bookmark the page so you can return to it whenever you want to generate or refine copy. If you have an account, log in. It's not strictly required, but it's helpful because it keeps your conversation history and drafts in one place. That way you can come back later and continue improving your copy without losing context. Use your usual sign-in method, and once you're in, you'll be taken right to the main interface. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI workspace. It's a clean chat-style layout designed to help you iterate quickly. Your past chats may appear on the side, while the main panel shows the current conversation. Think of it as a creative partner that responds instantly to your direction. On the main screen, look for the chat bar at the bottom. This is where you'll type your instructions. The clearer your prompt, the better the results. You can paste background details right into the message field. And when you're ready, press enter to submit. If you make a mistake, just send a follow-up message. Grok uses the ongoing context to improve its next response. Now, ask Grok to create marketing copy. Be specific about what you need and who it's for. Include your product or service, your target audience, the channel you're writing for, and the tone you want. Adding the key benefit, a clear call to action, and a word count can make the output instantly usable. For example, you could say you want a short website hero line with a concise sub-headline that highlights the main value. Grok will generate a draft you can evaluate right away. If the first version isn't quite what you're after, ask again for more detailed information. You can request more depth on benefits, a different voice, or a new structure like IDA or PS. Ask for variations, bolder hooks, or stronger calls to action. If you need more clarity, prompt it to explain why each line works, or to adapt the copy to a different audience segment or channel. Keep refining until the message feels precise, on brand, and aligned with your goal. And that's the process. You've just learned how to create marketing copy with Grok. From opening the site to crafting and refining targeted, conversion-ready text.